What I like about Zelitsky and Company is the team effort. If I call Bob and he's not in, I know I can ask for Katie, Lisa, or anyone else. They'll be able to help me. When I started out in my own real estate business, it was daunting. I know how to sell real estate. I didn't necessarily know what kind of records to maintain, and I didn't know what was deductible. Bob took the time to explain everything to me. He put my mind at ease and simplified the process. Keeping my books and records is second nature now. I appreciate his oversight. I know if I have a great year of commissions, his team will provide me with timely tax planning. At the end of the day, I want to know my tax costs as early as possible so I can budget accordingly.
Bob Zelitsky has been a total asset to my companies throughout the years. You really have to have confidence in your accountants, and you really have to have confidence in their advice. I own an inspection company. It's a brand new company, and Bob and I went over the pros and cons about how he wanted me to file my taxes under this new business. He asked me to go with an LLC. I didn't really know that much about it, but with his advice, going over the pros and cons of the way he explained on how to file my taxes, it really turned into a huge benefit. Every piece of advice he's always given me has been on the money. I outsource everything to him. He takes care of me. Bob Zelitsky has completely transformed the way I do business.
BZ, that's what I like to call Bob Zelitsky. He's handled both my company's bookkeeping and accounting, as well as my personal taxes for over 20 years. I literally leave the heavy lifting to him and his team. Because of his online access and mobility, his associate Lisa takes care of all the number crunching that needs to be done during the year. Bob will do the year-end planning in the early fall when we sit down to discuss everything. I'm always amazed at the detail and how I was virtually free from being involved with any of the bookkeeping or accounting. I love that. They're very responsive. I might call them on a Monday afternoon about needing a financial for the bank, and then I get an email that the financial is sitting in my portal, ready to grab, hours later. I played football in college and I know about teamwork. Zelitsky and Company is part of my team. They have me covered.